Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I'm going to talk about a 5-minute LED light treatment. It's from Trophy Skin and is the RejuvelightMD. If you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. LED light stands for light emitting diodes, and it has been researched by NASA and is a proven technology that it works, guys, with wrinkles, inflammation, and even acne. From all the technologies, all the beauty gadgets that I have reviewed, LED lights is the easiest to use, and I found that a lot of times is the quicker results that you get with no work whatsoever. The technology is proven to work, but there's a lot of different tools in the market right now, and that's why I'm going to be reviewing a lot of them for you guys, because it really depends on sometimes on your schedule and budget, so I will have a variety that you can understand more. The device I'm going to talk about it today is from Trophy Skin and is the RejuvalightMD. This panel is actually clinically proven to work, is FDA cleared to actually treat wrinkles and fine lines and also inflammation. But I will have an updated video, that way you can see before and afters and you can judge for yourself. The before and after will be for my hands, because I have been slacking off on my hands the same way that I have been slacking off on my neck, but my neck is getting in really good shape because of LED lights and other treatments. So now I'm going to treat my hands and I will report back for sure with the results, and so far I find that they do look brighter. I truly feel like it's even helping me with my carpal tunnel, because I do have carpal tunnel on this hand, and a lot of times when I'm editing, my hands hurt a lot, my wrist hurt a lot, so I find that using this light, it has been helping. If you do suffer from arthritis or carpal tunnel, I will report back, but so far I find that my hands are hurting a lot less when I edit. And I'm also using the Trophy Skin on my husband's scalp because he has a lot of eczema that goes into his scalp and is really red. It helps a lot with the redness, but I'm gonna have before and afters for that as well. And to be honest, my husband is a really hard person to get to do any type of treatment, so it does help that it's 5 minutes long, so I can get him to do a few times a week. And it contains 4 different wavelengths of LED lights. It contains red, yellow, amber, and infrared. So those 4 wavelengths are really powerful to help build up collagen production, wrinkle reduction, inflammation, and even injuries. As you guys know, in the infrared really goes deep into your skin. And the most important part, they're all at the same time. So when you turn the panel, you're getting the treatment with all those 4 lights at the same time. The red light has 660 nanometers, the yellow light has 590 nanometers, the amber light has 630 nanometers, and the infrared has 880 nanometers. And also you can even change the panel. You can press this button here and you can change this panel for the blue light. They do have a blue light panel for people that have acne skin, so that is also really nice. They can only buy one and actually have those attachments. Because it has the infrared, I do feel like this also works on acne inflammation as well. So if for somebody that suffers from adult acne, like hormonal acne, this could be also, just the red panel could actually work because it also has infrared, which is anti-inflammatory. The blue panel works more as an antibacterial. It goes not so deep on your skin, but it does work for acne scars, for brightening, for circulation. So if you're an older person with acne, just the red panel might be enough to help you reduce acne. If you are a younger person or somebody that has more of a bacterial acne, then the blue light panel might be best. But it's nice that you can have both in one equipment. So that is really, really cool. To use it is really simple. Make sure you do it on a clean face. Make sure you plug it into an outlet. I actually cannot plug into the wall because it's far away from me, but make sure you plug into an outlet, and it has a button here that you press and the lights turned on. It goes down pretty low. This goes down all the way down, literally like that. And I love that this thing moves any shape you need it. It has an auto timer, so it'll turn off after 5 minutes. It tells you don't have to use it daily. You can use 5 minutes a few times a week and you still see results, which is pretty remarkable. I often find that I can use this even when I'm on my computer. Like if I'm doing my hand, I will do one hand, and then I use my mouse, I type or watch videos, and then I do the other hand, and I use this hand. Or I can do it on my desk, and I can prop it up, that is on my hair, and I can just, again, be on my computer getting a hair treatment. You can also place it on your neck, really here, or I love placing my décolletage because I feel like you're really sitting on my desk. Again, I can do the computer. Nothing disturbs it, so it's amazing for that reason, because it's super customizable. And you can also lay down on the bed and have it lay really close to your face. As you guys can see, it gets really, really bendy. So this is a huge, huge pro for me. The only con for me, and that is my complete honesty, is that I wish it was a little bigger. For the face, I do like to do extra treatments if I have the time. You can see from my photo that the light does reach the sides. However, I find that for a deeper treatment, especially for an older person that has a lot of crow's feet, to do it on the side as well. So you can do one side and one side. But that way increases the treatment time for 10 minutes as opposed to 5. But often, if I'm really on a pinch, I don't have time to do any of my other LED lights, and that happens quite a lot, to be honest. Sometimes I'm really busy. Like right now I'm shooting, I'm looking at my baby monitor. He may wake up any minute, and I have literally 5 minutes. And that way I only do it this way, and I won't even do my other panel. So I definitely suggest you go on their website. They have a lot of amazing before and afters on their website, and they also have studies. And on their studies, 91% of the participants found that they had wrinkle reduction in depth and length, and also 89% found that they did find less inflammation, red, and sensitivity. So I like that they have clinical studies as well to back up this equipment, but I also like that you can definitely see when you hold it in your hands that it's heavy, is well made, is not flimsy. Personally, I really like this panel, and I have been using it quite a lot. This one is definitely for somebody that, one, is a super busy person, don't like to spend much time doing any beauty products, and sometimes want to do other than just the face, want to do body parts. And I love using on my hands, and I definitely am seeing a difference, and I'll have before and afters in the near future from my hands and also my husband's scalp. If this is something that interests you, I do have a coupon code. I'll leave that in the description box below. That way you can save some money if this is something that you would like to try. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.